Despite efforts from the Texas Democrats to block the controversial Senate Bill 1, Governor Greg Abbott signed the bill into law today. This new law bans drive-through voting, 24-hour polls, unsolicited mail ballots, and more. Now, opponents of the bill say it restricts voters' rights.
Governor Abbott says that simply is not the case. 12 News reporter Dominique Lay has reaction tonight from locals on both sides of this. Dom?
Yeah, Jordan Dage, the election bill is causing quite the division amongst both Republican and Democratic parties.
Now let's make this final. Thank you, Governor. Election integrity is now law in the state of Texas.
Senate Bill 1, now signed by Governor Abbott today, causing some controversy between both Republican and Democratic parties. Jefferson County Republican Party Chair Judy Nichols feels this bill is going to prevent fraudulent elections.
It makes it easier to vote by expanding early voting hours. It makes it easier to vote by expanding the abilities of poll watchers to ensure that their candidates and issues are fairly treated, and that's on both sides of the aisle.
Jefferson County Democratic Chair Joseph Trahan believes this bill is adding more barriers and actually making it more difficult for people to vote.
This is not anything to do with election integrity or to make voting easier, but rather to suppress the vote, make it more difficult for voters, particularly young people, shift workers, and people of color to be able to exercise their vote.
Daryl Antwine with NAACP says minorities who have trouble getting to the polls will be the ones who suffer.
Don't take away people's rights just to stay in power. And I think it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt some of those people, but whatever we can do as a people, we're gonna make sure that people get to the polls the best way that they can.
But Nichols says she feels the bill will ensure regularity and consistency.
This bill is not about disparaging any voter. It's much more about adding security and election integrity for all voters.
The NAACP says their goal is to inform voters of what the bill does and try to get as many people registered to vote as possible. Dominique Lay, 12 News.